Hello folks, it's Rich. I just figured I'd give you a heads up of what's going on here. Right now I just got done cleaning the circuit board for the transformer and the fuse that's in there. The fuses that I have are exactly the same ones that replaced that one in there. Hold on. There we go, that's better. Oh, I still got to clean some in the back in between these here. They used to have some lighting, but that don't take long. I just want to make sure all the dust is out of here so that way it's actually got a good start to start over with, and that way it doesn't have any problems. So those are the antennas inside. There's some extra reception antennas over there, and that's the battery compartment. So I want to clean this up inside a little bit. I got a wipe here, which I'm going to wipe everything that's not electronic with a what do I call that? Clorox wipe? Not a Clorox, Lysol. You know, like the plastic casing in here. Make sure nothing else is going to be getting in the way. So this way, this radio's got a chance of starting over again like brand new. All right, folks. So I figured I'd just give you a heads up, let you know what's going on. My next step will be taking one of the tape decks out, in order to see. To replace the belt. But first, I want to make sure they're actually working before I go and take them out. So that's what I have to do next. All right, one piece at a time. That's the way it's got to be done. Like and subscribe. Talk to you later. Bye.